Hey everyone, and welcome back to Diabetic 365. Are you ready to make eating well both easy and incredibly delicious? You're in the right place. Today we're diving into our special diabetes-friendly recipe roundup. We've handpicked 6 fantastic dishes, all designed with one main goal in mind: to help you steady your blood sugar levels while still enjoying every single bite. These aren't just any recipes, they're super easy to prepare, packed with wholesome ingredients, and crafted to help you build a truly balanced diet without ever sacrificing flavor. Eating healthy shouldn't be boring, right? Stick around as we give you a sneak peek into each of these tasty meals. You'll find out what makes them perfect for your health goals, and remember, all the full recipe links will be ready for you to click and explore. So let's get cooking and discover some new favorites together. Quick keto mug omelets. First up, for those mornings when you need something delicious and fast without breaking your keto goals, say hello to our quick keto mug omelets. Seriously, these are a game changer. You can whip up a satisfying breakfast in minutes that's not just keto-friendly, but absolutely bursting with flavor. Here's the magic. We're talking about simple, wholesome ingredients like fluffy eggs, a touch of rich cream, gooey shredded cheddar cheese, savory diced ham, and your favorite chopped veggies like spinach or bell peppers. Just combine everything right there in your mug, give it a quick stir, and pop it into the microwave for just a few minutes. What you get is a perfectly cooked, nutrient-rich meal or a fantastic anytime snack that keeps you full and fueled. It's convenience and taste, all in one mug. Next, prepare to indulge in a classic comfort food, totally reimagined for your keto lifestyle, the BLT on keto buns. This is how you enjoy all the flavors you love from this iconic sandwich, completely carb-free. Imagine sinking your teeth into layers of perfectly crispy bacon, juicy, ripe tomato, and crisp, fresh butter lettuce, all nestled between two halves of a soft yet sturdy keto bun. Then, to truly complete the experience, smother it with your favorite creamy mayo. This isn't just a sandwich, it's a mouth-watering experience that proves eating keto means never having to sacrifice flavor. It's absolutely fantastic for a quick lunch, a satisfying dinner, or whenever that BLT craving hits. Ready to revamp your meal routine with a fresh twist on a beloved classic? Get ready for our Keto Cobb Egg Salad. We've taken the rich, satisfying flavors of a traditional Cobb and perfectly adapted it for your keto lifestyle. This isn't just any egg salad, it features a wonderfully creamy and tangy dressing made from a delightful blend of rich mayonnaise, a touch of Greek yogurt for extra protein and tang, and a hint of zesty red wine vinegar. But the real magic happens when you combine that dressing with all the delicious components of a classic Cobb. Crisp, crunchy bacon, perfectly prepared hard-boiled eggs, creamy slices of ripe avocado, bursts of sweetness from cherry tomatoes, and the sharp, distinctive flavor of blue cheese. Mix it all together, and you've got a fast, incredibly nutritious, and utterly delicious lunch or dinner that feels gourmet, yet fits perfectly into your healthy eating plan. It's a near-perfect meal, ready in minutes. Zucchini pizza bites. Do you ever just really want pizza, but you're trying to eat healthy and keep your carbs low? We've got the perfect answer for you. Say hello to our super yummy zucchini pizza bites. These little snacks are amazing because they let you enjoy all the great tastes of pizza without messing up your healthy eating plan. They are so easy to make. Just grab some thin slices of fresh zucchini. These will be like your little pizza crusts. Put them under your oven's broiler for just a short time to make them a bit soft. Then it's time for the fun part, adding your toppings. Put a little bit of tasty tomato sauce on each one, sprinkle some nice-smelling Italian seasoning, and of course, add a good amount of melty shredded Italian cheese. Put them back under the broiler for just a few minutes more, and watch as the cheese gets perfectly bubbly and golden. What you get is a warm, cheesy, and super delicious snack or appetizer that's ready really fast. These are just right for when you want pizza, but also want to eat well. Instant Pot Chicken Noodle Soup. Keto. Do you ever just crave that warm, comforting feeling you get from a big bowl of chicken noodle soup? But you also want to keep your carbs low? Well, get excited. We're going to show you how to make a truly cozy, classic-tasting chicken noodle soup right in your Instant Pot, perfect for your healthy eating plan. This recipe is all about pure, wholesome goodness, remade for you. Here's the clever trick. Instead of regular noodles, we use fresh zucchini noodles. They're light and healthy, and guess what? They soak up all that yummy soup flavor perfectly, without adding extra carbs. You'll also get super tender chicken thighs swimming in a rich, healthy broth. It's so full of flavor and really good for you. This soup is more than just a meal. It's like a warm hug in a bowl. It's hearty and feels so good going down, making it the perfect choice for a cool evening or any time you need something comforting and delicious. And the best part? Because we're using the Instant Pot, this tasty and satisfying soup comes together with very little work from you. That means more time to relax and enjoy your meal. It's truly comfort food made easy and healthy. All right, for our last amazing recipe, get ready to make your taste buds sing with our incredible maple roasted chicken thighs. This dish isn't just good, it's a perfect blend of tastes that come together beautifully. We're talking about chicken that's super tender and juicy, roasted until it's just right. We add lovely smelling fresh thyme and rosemary herbs, which give it a wonderful earthy touch. And then, the special part, just a little bit of sweet golden maple syrup to bring everything to life. The end result is a truly delightful, savory, sweet flavor that you just can't resist. It's comforting, satisfying, and so incredibly delicious. Now, you might be raising an eyebrow and thinking, maple syrup? For someone managing diabetes? That's a really smart question, and it's totally fair to wonder. But here's why it actually works as a clever choice for this recipe. Pure maple syrup is different from regular white sugar. It's less processed, meaning it goes through fewer steps from the tree to your table. This is already a good start. But even better, pure maple syrup naturally contains some really helpful things for your body. It has good nutrients like manganese and zinc, which play important roles in keeping you healthy. Plus, it's packed with a healthy dose of antioxidants, which are like little protectors for your cells. What's even more important for managing your blood sugar is that pure maple syrup has a lower glycemic index compared to highly refined sugars. Think of the glycemic index as a speed meter for how quickly a food can make your blood sugar rise. A lower number means it's slower and steadier. This is a big deal because it means the maple syrup in this recipe can help to stabilize your blood sugar levels more effectively, helping you avoid those quick, sharp spikes that refined sugars can cause. So, you get to enjoy a wonderfully flavorful, satisfying meal that truly feels like a treat. But it's also mindful of your health goals. It's not just delicious, it's a smart choice for a comforting dish that you can enjoy any day of the week. The dish is great for a cozy meal on a cold winter night. It's full of roasted sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts, and a sprinkle of pecans for added crunch. Eating low-sugar and low-carb meals is essential for managing your diabetes and overall health. Sticking to this diet can help balance blood sugar levels, support weight management, and reduce the risk of complications. You can take positive steps to improve your health and have delightful foods by incorporating these diabetes-friendly meals into your diet. And there you have it. 6 fantastic, flavor-packed recipes designed to make eating well with diabetes not just manageable, but truly enjoyable. We hope you're feeling inspired to try some of these in your own kitchen. Remember, at Diabetic 365, we're all about empowering you with practical, delicious ways to live your best life every single day. If you love these ideas and want more tips, recipes, and support, Make sure to hit that subscribe button right now and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our new videos. We'd love to hear from you. Which recipe are you most excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below.